In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to add music to Instagram story. If you've not yet added music to your stories on Instagram, then this is gonna be the right video for you because I'm exactly gonna show you how you can. Now before I move on, make sure you subscribe to our channel if you are new here and also turn on the notifications for more interesting videos. Firstly, let's head over to Instagram. From the home screen, tap on your story section on the top left. Either you can take a story right away or you can tap and select your story from the gallery. After you select the story that you want to post, now all you need to do is tap on the stickers icon on the top and simply find the option of music. If you don't see this option here, you can search it on the search bar. Now all the music available on Instagram will show up. This is going to be the For You, or if you want to also browse on your own, you can tap on the browse option and choose from different kind of genres and music that you can see. If you know the name of a specific song, you can also search for it. And after you find a song, all you need to do is tap on the song and the song will be added. Now you can decrease and increase the length of the song by tapping on this icon right here. The maximum is 15 and you can adjust it to however much you want and tap on done. You can also change up the ending and start of your song. So if you want only the middle part of the song to play, you can drag this timeline and adjust it like so, and then you can tap on done on the top right. And there you go, you've successfully added music to your Instagram story. Now you can tap on your story and post it. If this video helped you out, then make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video, and I'll be back with more. Thanks for watching.